Lesson 2. Using UseAssociationLists debugging tools, UseAssociationLists IDE. Examining part 4 using association list to bundle data. The previous example works, but you can do better. In the next exercise, you will build an association list or a short list after the list function that deals with association list. In an association list, the values you are interested in are associated with key values. Here's an example association list. So here you got this. In the sample association list, the key values are the number 10, 11, and 40. These key values serve as a unique index within the list. This is the mechanism AutoCAD uses to return entity data to AutoLISP if you access an entity from within your program. A key value of 10 indicates a starting point. A key value of 11 is typically an endpoint. What are the advantages of an association list? For one thing, unlike a regular list, the order of the values returned does not matter. Look at the first list again. So you got this, and this. Look at the return values. It is not apparent which sublist is a start point and which sublist is the end point. Furthermore, if you modify the function in the future and any other function that relies on data returned in a specific order may be adversely affected. Using an association list, the order of the values does not matter. If the order of an association list changes, you can still tell which value defines what. For example, an 11 value is still an endpoint, regardless of where it occurs within the overall list. So here we got order of a list has been modified, and we got here 10 is normally starting point, 40 is kind of a distance, and 11 is normally an endpoint. So that's it for using association list to bundle data, which is part 4 of lesson 2 using UseAssociationLists debugging tools.